Hey guys, so today we're finally catching up a little bit and I have the May Witch Casket box to show you. So for anyone that hasn't seen me do this before, it's a UK box and it's £29. They do post it worldwide. I'll put the prices that I know from the website down below in the description. And we are just going to open this and see what is in here. So like I said, this is the May box and the theme for this month is Threshold Magic. It seems to be like a deep mossy green kind of coloured theme this month. And this is just a little booklet that tells you about the items in the box, but we're not going to go through that because I'm going to show you. So that is the booklet. Then we have our little art print for the month. So this one is like a little kind of cottage in the woods kind of thing. It's got a little cat down here and a little lamp, moon, stuff like that. And if you're not into art prints, they now turn these into little monthly manifestation cards. So it says, what are my goals this month? What practical steps can I reach to take these goals? And what magical steps can I take to reach these goals on the back, if you want to use it for that instead. Then next we have our spell kit for the month, and this one is a door wash ritual kit. It says it contains everything you need to prevent negativity from entering your home. So let's have a see what is in here. Okay, so we have our little instruction card. I'll hold that up in a second. We have a little kind of tea bag sort of thing. And then we have some red clover, some lavender and some hyssop, I think it says. So that was the spell kit. And then I'll just hold this up in case you want to pause and read it. Then next we've got a little black pouch with like a green door kind of thing on it that's jingling. And in here we have a protective threshold charm. This is so cute. Absolutely love this. Very spooky vibes from this, I would say. It's like a little pentacle or pentagram, whatever you want to call it. And then it has these 3 little bells at the bottom. That is so cute. And for this it says, the pentacle has long been used by witches as a symbol of protection, and the ringing of bells has traditionally been used to clear away stagnant and unwanted energy from the home. This magical protective charm was created for you to hang by or on your door, ensuring whoever is paying you a visit doesn't bring negative energy with them. That is so cute. Love that. So that is the protective threshold charm in this little pouch. Then next we have our enamel pin for the month, and this one says protected by magic. It's just like a little green button sort of thing with one pin on the back. Then next we've got loads of little boxes in here. So this one is a witch ball kit, it says. A traditional way to ward off evil spirits and negative energy and protect your home. Add the nettle and rosemary to the ball with intent to protect, and you can also include any other charms, amulets, small crystals or affirmations you desire. Hang the ball in your window for protection. So we have 2 little bags of the herbs here. And then this is the ball itself. It's giving Christmas decoration, I have to say. Like those ones that come with like alcohol or shower gel in them. Very cute though. Love the colour. It's a really bright like emerald green in person. I know it's looking dark because the like light is shining onto it, but it's very pretty in person. So that is our little witch ball kit. Then next, another little box is Threshold Salt. It says, sprinkle this magical salt blend across the threshold to your home to keep negativity at bay. So, cute little glass jar. Seems to be like wax sealed at the top. Not really sure why, if you're gonna like sprinkle it somewhere, but it's cute though. It's quite a big jar as well, and it seems to have some other kind of herb in there with the salt. So that is our Threshold Salt. Then we have another little green pouch with a pentacle on it. And in here, oh, there's like stones or something in here. Okay, so this is 4 corners boundary stones, it says. Inscribed with a pentacle for protection and imbued with the grounding vibrations of earth. Place a stone in each corner of the home for protection. So these all have little pentacles on them. They're just like normal kind of pebbles. And it seems to be maybe printed on there. I don't think they're like engraved in or anything. But still pretty cute though in this little pouch. So that is the 4 corners boundary stones. Then next we have this, which is an enchanted keyring, it says. It's very pretty. It's like a distressed silver kind of colour. Makes me think of like Final Fantasy and stuff. It's very, very light though. I'm not sure if it is metal. Yeah, it must be metal. It feels like plastic because it's so light, but I think that it is metal. And for this it says, keys have long been believed to offer protection, so add your keys to this enchanted amulet to keep them safe and to shield you as you open the doors to opportunity. So that is our little keyring. And then we have 2 things left before the scroll. So the first one is a doorway candle. It says, a natural calming and protective candle to welcome loving vibrations into your home. Light by your door to ensure only positive energy can cross. Light the candle and state this incantation. Negativity shall not cross my threshold, only loving vibrations may pass. This is my command and what I say shall stand. Like a tongue twister. So let's have a look at this. Oh, okay, so it's just like a pillared sort of candle. It doesn't have a holder or anything like that. It's just kind of like a white pillar candle with little like rose petal kind of looking things in there. Like some herbs or something. Very nice smelling. It's kind of giving like strawberry milkshake smelling. I'm not sure what the scent is supposed to be, but it smells nice though and creamy. So that is our doorway candle. And then the last thing, like I said before, the scroll is a magical washcloth. This is really cute. I love little like creepy homeware items like this. At TK Maxx at Halloween time, this is probably something that I would buy. So this says, set your intentions and use this enchanting washcloth to cleanse your doors and window frames. Use with salt water or magical herb infused washes. I would use this as a face cloth, I'm not gonna lie, but it says it's for doors and window frames. Not sure I'd want to clean with this. It's so cute. So it's just like a little square, and then embroidered down here is the pentacle and the little like leaves and stuff. It is a little dirty for some reason, I guess because it's been in the box with other things, but yeah, it's very thick as well, like really thick soft material. And then it's got a little witch casket label. So that is our washcloth. And then we have our scroll. So I will undo this and hold it up in case anyone wants to pause and read it. This one is Threshold and Boundary Magic. And yeah, that was everything in the May Witch Casket box. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you all together at once. So we had the little art print, the door wash ritual kit, the little enamel pin, the enchanted keyring, the protective threshold charm, the little corner stones, the magical washcloth, the witch ball kit, the doorway candle, the threshold salt, and the scroll as well. So all of these items in the May Threshold Magic Witch Casket box. I thought this one was a really good one. I absolutely love this little doorway charm, and the washcloth as well is super, super cute. The little stones are cute. Not really sure if I'd put them in the corners of the rooms, but I could use them for like a decorative thing like in a bowl or something, I guess. The keyring was cute. Really liked this one anyway. So you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. I'll put all of the details for which casket in the description in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.